Hi, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are good. Yay! Oh, so beautiful people, welcome to today's vlog. Okay, so I would like to show you guys the vegetable that I ordered. Okay, normally here we ordered a fresh vegetable once in a year. Right, once in a year we order vegetable fresh. When I mean fresh, so I ordered water leaf, bitter leaf, ugu, uziza leaf, the what again. So I would like you guys to come along with me. Let's unbox our fresh, when I mean fresh vegetables, because I can't wait to start using them immediately. When I mean I've even parboiled the meat, I'm going to start cooking vegetable with you guys. Will not believe you will not believe me, honestly. So that is it. Come along with me. Let's unbox this together. Yeah. So beautiful people. Here is the vegetable. This vegetable costs 85 euro. Yes. So we don't have much vegetable here, but few. So let's unbox this together, right? Yay. So this summer we are going to be making vegetable soup and a lot with this vegetable. So this vegetable comes once in a year. So my order is here. Join me. Let's unbox. So let's get started. Let's open it up. I have to tear it. Hopefully the vegetable is still fresh because it came in, I think, was it yesterday? So I have to go and pick my own up today. Okay. Wow. Wow. Guess what? Guess what? My vegetable is here. Let's see what we have here. And all these vegetables, they are still fresh. Start again. This is uziza leaf. Uziza leaf. That's what we have here. Uziza leaf. I think uziza leaf is 3, and it's still fresh. Very fresh. I think I bought 3. Should I leave this in nylon or should I open it up? Okay, let's open it up. This uziza leaf. Let's see. This is the second one. I think I ordered 3. This is a I think I still have one. I ordered 3. Okay. That is it. Charles. So here is scent leaf. Chuang Aribo. That's what we have here. Aribo. Scent leaf. Chuang. So let's open it. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing the prepping. Oh my god. Get over here. So I'm going to be cooking red oil, jollof rice, native jollof rice with this. Oh, excuse me. So this is scent leaf, very fresh. I mean very fresh. That is it. So let's see what we have here. This is ugu. Edikaiko. Vegetable soup is there. All the vegetables are still fresh. Okay. Very, very fresh. Alright. This is the second one. This is the second one. I think I bought it only two. So this is what we have here. What we have here. Here we have bitter leaf. We get work tomorrow. So I'm going to be showing you how to cut and store your vegetables. Okay. I think this time around I'm going to be showing you how to wash your fresh bitter leaf. This here bitter leaf is very big. Guys, check it out.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
I ordered bitter leaf 4 because I don't have bitter leaf again, so I have to order 4 of it. Yes. This one is bitter leaf. Here we have water leaf for vegetable soup, efuroro. Yay! So that's what I'm going to be making with this soup. Efuroro. Very, very fresh. So I get it from chicken and vegetable and somehow. I'm gonna look at water leaf. Come on, buy your ugu. Come on, buy ugu, madam. I have ugu. I have bitter leaf. I have uchu. I have uzuza. Come on, buy. You guys will not understand the type of joy that we always have whenever it's the season for vegetables. Honestly, this year I did not buy the way I normally buy. I have to reduce hand because I bought what I want to cook. I don't want to store much in my freezer this year. Yeah, I can only wash this bitter leaf and store in the freezer. But for this, so we're going to be cooking vegetable with this. We're going to be making this fresh tomato sauce with ugu as well. So I have a lot of recipe to do with this. I don't want to store much in the freezer. Uzuza, we have to make uzuza soup. That is for this one. And for the scent leaf, we're going to store because I love storing scent leaf because I use it oft in my jollof rice, ofaku, the ofaku container. Yes, so we don't have fresh ofaku here. Don't mind me. Yeah, That's how it should be. So beautiful people, that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful unboxing fresh veggies. Yeah, as I told you guys earlier, this is what we do once in a year, and it's time. So there's another vegetable that is not here. That is, I ordered green as well, but unfortunately green did not arrive. Okay, but also expecting my pepper. So beautiful people, that is it. We have come to the end of today's unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed this wonderful. If today is your first time coming across our channel, thank you so much. Please do subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you. We really appreciate. So guys, see you guys in our next one, and remember this. Bye.